Mark. And that's 2. 2 for today. No, but she's off. Yep. Watch your back, though. That's hilarious. Oh, is she on the side stand? All good. Oh my God. That'll be on the drone. I hope.
Had to put your foot on that side and the road wasn't there.
That's right. Yeah. So when she started to go, there was nothing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, all good. No, I had to run it out though. Okay. Oh, the poor old thing. Once again, I have to attempt to start this after it's been stalled. Or flooded, rather. Jeez, who does that to their motorcycle? Great. For the second time frickin' today. Ugh. And again, I didn't have the... Yeah, it's all smashed again. All the grommets come loose when you crash, right? Yeah. Oh, that one's actually broken. I've got a spare though. Okay, drone's up. Oh, there she goes. Oh, shit. Too much front brake, guys. Stay up. Woo! Now that is a good time. One camera down. I didn't even have it on. Yes! First crash of the year in the books. Oh, holy. All right, well, we'll have to go repair a camera. Okay, that was fun. Trying to turn to grab my camera, overshot the turning zone, a little hard on the front brake, over we went. Everything's good, just a broken camera mount, but I can fix it. It's hot, and I'm out of breath. I might be slightly out of shape. Welcome to 2020. Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.